Hey, welcome to the fourth day of our Global Mashiach learning. We started off learning about Galus. We continued on to the Geula and how we know that we are the generation that's going to bring Mashiach. We are like the midgets on the giant's shoulders. We have all those good mitzvahs that were done in the generations before us. And we have just the small little things left. The Gemara divides the 6,000 years of world history to three categories. Take 6,000 divided by 3. We have 2,000 years in each tkufa. And let's see what those 2,000 years are. So let's see. The Gemara divides the years into 3 sections. The first 2,000 years from the year 1, Adam Rishon, until the year 2000, 1999, we have time of confusion. People in the world were doing lots of averos, were Risha'im. The world was chaos. And the world, that Tkufa had to end in a Mabul because Hashem needed to just restart the world and purify it again. Second time period was the years of Torah, from Matan Torah all the way till the times, started in the times of Avram Avinu. You know, Avram was born in the year 1948. The year 2000 was around the time when Avram started teaching the Yidden about Hashem, teaching the world about Hashem. And we have Matan Torah, and it goes all the way until the times of the Mishnayos. And the third time period is the generation of Yemaisa Mashiach. And we know that if you go outside and you see it's cloudy and clouds are getting darker and darker, you know that any second it can start pouring. You can just decide, I'm going to run down the block quickly, go get something, and oops, it started pouring. It could start pouring at any second when the cloud is full, when the sky is full of clouds. Same too, Mashiach can come at any second. Any second, now boom, shofar can blow and Mashiach can walk in. That's during this third tkufa of the 6,000 years. We are called Ikvasad Mashiach, the heels of Mashiach, because we can already hear the footsteps coming. All the nisim that are happening in the world, all the great things that we see going on, those are the steps of Mashiach getting closer and closer. We know that we are already in the Yemaisa Mashiach, getting closer and closer to the final Geula when we'll see Mashiach Tzidkenu. Another way that the 6,000 years are divided is into the 6 days of the 7th being Shabbos Mashiach, Yom Shekolei Shabbos. Each 1,000 years, before we divided them into 2,000, now each 1,000 years is compared to one of the days of the week. We have day 1, the first 1,000 years, day 2, the second 1,000 years. We would be, because we are already past 5,000 years, that means we're between 5,000 and 6,000, being that we're 5,780. If day 6 is Friday, sorry, that was a mistake. We are between 6,000 and 7,000. From the year 0 till 1,000 is the first day. 1,000 to 2,000 is the second day. Sorry about that. And we are 5,000 until 6,000 is day 6. We are at the end of the 5,000 years. We're already 5,780. 5,500 would be Chatzos on Friday, the 6th day. Midday, 5,500 is exactly between 5,500 and 6,000. Between 5,000 and 6,000, we have 5,500. So 5,500 would be Chatzos on Friday, and we already after Chatzos on Erev Shabbos, because we're already 280 years past 5,500, or 5,780. So we are right now at a time of Friday, Erev Shabbos, after Chatzos, ready for Mashiach. We know that Lichbenchen time is not once Shabbos comes in, not at 12 o'clock at night. It starts earlier. It starts when it's still Friday, and it even starts 18 minutes before Shkia, when it's still Friday afternoon. That means that Mashiach can come. Mashiach doesn't have to come in the year 6,000, then it's already Shabbos. Mashiach has to come earlier, and we know that we've tried to take in Shabbos earlier as well. Just we want to show Hashem that we want Hashem to bring in Shabbos earlier also. Hashem to bring Mashiach earlier, which is the 7th day Shabbos, Yom Shekolei Shabbos, in the times of Mashiach. So right now we are at a time that's so close to Mashiach. Mashiach needs to come already right now, and may it be Tekef Umiyad Mamish. Now, just to show you, remind you again how to fill out our quiz, you go on to globalmashiachlearning.com and click on daily review, and week 1, week 2, oops, not daily review, daily material. And you go to, either you can download the worksheet or fill out the worksheet online. So we are going to fill out the worksheet online. Today was day 4. And put in, it said to put in your first name, to put in your first and last name. So let's just make up a name, Chaya Mashka. And in your last name to put your school, Cheder, and your grade 6. And then join. And let's see what we need to fill out today. Question number 1. The Gemara divides the 6,000 years of history into 3 time periods of 2,000 years each. Describe each time period. In number 1, the years 1 to 1,999 is the years of confusion. The world was filled with Risha'im. People were doing many Aveiros, and it ended in the Mabul. Question of the second Tkufa, 2,000 till 3,999, is called generation of the years of Tyra, where we had Matan Tyra, we had the Mishnayos, the years of Tyra. Number 3, 4,000 till 5,999 is the times of Yemaisa Mashiach, Ikvasa de Mashiach, the times of Mashiach's coming. Just like on a very cloudy day can be any second, so too during this time period, Mashiach can come at any second. And what does Ikvasa de Mashiach mean? Ikvasa de Mashiach means the heels of Mashiach. We are at the end, the lowest part, ready for the Geula. The 6,000 years are also compared to the 6 days of the week. So this time period is Erev Shabbos after Chatzais, ready for Mashiach. Make sure after you fill out all your questions that you click submit so that your worksheet can be sent in and you can get your ticket into the raffle. Great job. Keep up the learning. And we will see you, Emet Hashem, next time.